As you know, if you have posted something on your Instagram page and you don't want it to be visible to other people anymore, but also you don't want to delete it, you can archive them. In this video, I am going to show you how to archive a post and how to restore that archived post. Let's say I open my Instagram and head over to my profile, and from these posts, I don't like this one that I posted from my dog, so I want to archive it. What I do is I tap on these three dots on the top right corner, and the second option is archive, so I'm going to tap on that. And just like that, that photo is removed from my profile altogether. I'm going to refresh it one more time so you guys can see. As you can see, there isn't any pictures of my dog on this page anymore. Now, if I want to restore it, what I do is I go to settings by tapping on these three lines at the top right. And then I am going to choose the second option, archive. As you can see, it says posts archive. Normally it would be on stories archive. So, for me, it was on post, so I don't need to do anything about that. And I scroll down to find a post that I want to restore. And I'm going to tap on these three dots again. And this time I'm going to choose the first option that says show on profile. Just like that, the photo will be shown on my profile one more time, as you can see. Let me know in the comment section if you have any more questions regarding archiving your posts or stories.